This bank started in 2006. Over 400 locals came together and raised $25 million to start this bank. There was a feeling in Santa Barbara at the time that some of the other community banks had gotten larger, and there were a lot of people that didn't want to bank with a mega bank. They wanted to see the money stay in the community and help the community grow.
We primarily lend locally, so we're not looking for the really large loans that a lot of times big banks are looking for. We are financing the small businesses. We're doing construction lending when no one else is doing construction lending.
We try to actively lend out the money that we have on deposit. A lot of banks don't do that. They'll sit on a lot of the deposits and don't extend that credit into the community, or a large percentage of your deposits will go into investments for the bank.
I'd worked at the large institutions, and most of your customers you don't get to know. They're just really treated as a number because you're just trying to get as many customers as you can through the door. We can actually take the time to get to know our customers, talk over solutions for loans where we don't just look at straight numbers and issue an approval or denial.
The fact that we're all in 2 branches and we can go downstairs or we can go across the lobby and make decisions within hours.
All the decision making is local. We have an opportunity to sit down, listen to clients' needs, their individual desires, and really try to tailor fit something that makes it work.
You won't be stuck on a 1-800 line. You won't be dealing with a call center offshore. You'll be dealing with one of our friendly bankers.
It's very satisfying to provide a small business owner with the means to grow their business or to move into a new space, and then see it all done is great.
You kind of get to see clients go through the entire cycle. Maybe it's from a startup all the way through to the point now where they're in a mature business in town and they have several different ventures.
Some of my favorite stories have been when clients have come back to tell us that they wouldn't have been successful without the bank, that we gave them their first line of credit, or we helped them with that first term loan to buy the equipment that they could run their business. Hearing those stories is what makes my job worthwhile.